Well, good evening everyone, and welcome to Cargills football here at CCC. And we are the workshop players, and that was an original song written by the workshop players. And it's a song that's also associated with Cargills, because I think the first time we sang it was outside the Cargills at Majestic City many, many years ago. And every Christmas, Cargills invites us to come and sing at Cargills, and it's always a pleasure to come and do it, because we are being supportive of each other's endeavours for many, many years. And it's a pleasure to come and sing for you all, and we hope we add a bit of festive cheer. It's like only 4 days more to Christmas, so we thought while you're doing your last minute Christmas shopping, we'll sing a few carols, and please, they're all well-known carols and songs, so do feel free to sing along and get into that Christmas spirit.